And just so you know, all of the audio you're hearing right now is from the GoPro Naked with the Windslayer on. Unless I tell you otherwise, it's gonna be all from that. It's specifically made for the Hero 9. It has all the appropriate cutouts for it. It's made of high density sponge material. It's softer, lighter, and more elastic than a regular sponge. But I'm also here with Scott Davies, my YouTube friend, who's actually my real life friend now that he lives here in the city. What's up, Scott?
Hey guys.
He's gonna help me compare the GoPro Windslayer versus the GoPro Naked with wind reduction on and off, and against the Media Mod microphone. Okay, so now we have two GoPros side by side, and you can hear the difference between the audio. So right now we have the GoPro Naked without any wind reduction on, and the sound Windslayer on the other GoPro with wind reduction off as well. So I'm just gonna do a little walking. My voice is decently loud. It's not small. There's a lot of construction happening here. Decently loud. It's not small. There's a lot of construction happening here. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. All right, so now we have both GoPros side by side. One has wind reduction turned on, and the other one is just the Windslayer right there. So we're just gonna casually walk and see if we can create. We're just gonna casually walk and see if we can create a little bit of wind, so you can hear the difference in the quality, because when you turn the wind reduction on, a lot of times it's working overboard and it's going to make your voice not sound as quality. A lot of times it's working overboard and it's going to make your voice not sound as quality. All right, so now you can hear the difference between the quality with the Media Mod on one GoPro and the Windslayer on the other GoPro. You can hear it, it's a bit cheap, isn't it? Like, the Media Mod microphone just sounds like crap to me. That's just the unfortunate part. But as far as blocking the wind, it does do a good job. However, you're just gonna hear that difference in the cheap sound. So check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. What do you think? Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. What do you think? It's not so windy. Let's create our own wind, right? Scott Davies will help me with that. Ready?
Let's do it. Okay, now the next test. We've got the GoPro 9 with wind reduction off. And on this side, we've got the Slayer, the Windslayer, wind reduction off as well. Check 1 2 3 on the raw GoPro. Check 1 2 3 on the raw GoPro. So the audio you're hearing now is the GoPro 9 with the wind reduction on. How does the audio sound? And again, here is the Windslayer with wind reduction off. Now, I'm not using the auto feature because it does go up and down and it creates a horrible audio file. So when there's no wind, the audio levels go up. So we've got the wind reduction on, so it should be very stable. But how does it sound? Check 1 2 on the GoPro with wind reduction on. Check 1 2 on the GoPro with wind reduction on. Check 1 2. Now check 1 2 on the Windslayer. Check 1 2. Now we're filming behind the camera. This is the GoPro with wind reduction turned on. Now how does the Windslayer sound? Check 1 2 on the Windslayer. How does that sound?